This baby here is the Zulay Kitchen Magia. This is an amazing coffee maker. It will program up to 19 different specialty drinks. It's customizable and you can set it up for 10 different users. Let's take a look at how it works.
The first thing you want to do is touch to start on the screen. It will tell you to add water if you haven't already done so. There is a water filter container in the back. You'll lift that out, add water, and then reinsert it just like this. Once you set that in there, the machine will start doing a self-clean water test, and the water will also heat up. So you want to put a glass underneath it to catch the water, or you can just let it go right into the tray that's at the bottom. Then you want to add some coffee beans into the bean hopper. I'm going to use some of my Hawaiian beans that I just love. Then you close that up and you're ready to get started. Touch the screen to scroll through the choices. There's Espresso, Cappuccino, Americano. You have 19 different choices. I'm going to start with an espresso. So just tap the button and watch it on the screen. It will heat up and it will start to brew a delicious espresso in under a minute. Now, what's really unique also about this machine is you can customize your coffee. So let's go back to the espresso that we had just selected. I'm going to press on it again, and you can control the amount of liquid used, the temperature, the amount of coffee powder used, and really customize it. You're also able to froth milk with this machine. So you want to insert the tube into the glass like I just did, and let's select a cappuccino now. So the machine will start to heat up, same as the espresso, but this time it's going to incorporate the frothed milk right from the glass, which is pretty cool. So it's heating up and it's going to just start doing its thing in less than a minute, just like the espresso. And as you can see, it's starting to come out. And now you'll see the milk frothing tube start to take up the milk. So I'm actually holding it here. You really don't need to do that. As long as that tube is placed in the glass of milk, it will incorporate it just fine. And you can see that here. And then in less than a minute, you are going to have a beautiful, beautiful cappuccino. So let's take a look at that next. Another feature of this machine is this little door on the side where there's a wastebasket, and this is where the coffee grounds are caught, and they form these little discs that you can dump easily into the trash.
There's also this area up top where you can leave your mug so it'll stay warm,
which is really cool.
So as you can see, I'm going to be having a lot of fun with my Zulay Kitchen Magia.